Nothing more than Rebecca be held accountable for what she did to their father.
There is resolution tonight for some Pinellas County siblings whose father was murdered more than a decade ago. Good evening, I'm Keith Cate.
And I'm Stacy Scheibel. Thank you for joining us. A man was charged in the brutal murder of a well-known Tarpon Springs doctor in 2015.
But just days ago, a civil jury found the doctor's wife to be responsible for her husband's death. 8 on your side investigator Brittany Muller has the story.
Keith, Stacy, good evening. After 11 years, Dr. Stephen Schwartz's children are finally seeing some justice. A civil jury found their stepmom to be responsible for their father's death, but now they want to see state prosecutors take action criminally. In May of 2014, a murder took place in this Tarpon Springs neighborhood. Police had found the body of Dr. Stephen Schwartz inside his mansion on Belcher Drive. A year later, authorities charged Anton Leo Stragaw with first-degree murder. He was a handyman for the Schwartz family. Stragaw pleaded guilty to accessory after the fact. He served jail time, then was deported to Albania.
Well, I think they finally feel like they've got some semblance of justice.
Following a month-long civil trial that ended earlier this month, a jury awarded Dr. Schwartz's children nearly $200 million. Their attorneys, Will Florin and Sean Cummings, say they hope the Pinellas Pasco State Attorney's Office will reevaluate the case.
Because they want to see nothing more than Rebecca be held accountable for what she did to their father. So this is some small step in the right direction in getting them at least recognition from the community.
Court records reveal a civil jury found their stepmom, Rebecca Schwartz, responsible for their father's death.
The standard that we proved to this jury was a punitive damages standard, which meant that the jurors had to feel very confident in their verdict.
This is video from a deposition in 2016 when Rebecca was questioned about the night of her husband's murder. But all she did was plead the Fifth.
I reassert my rights under Article 1, Section 9 of the Florida Constitution.
Rebecca has not been criminally charged. 8 on your side reached out to her attorney for an interview, but we have not yet heard back. And now Dr. Schwartz's children wait.
They obviously hope that there's more, that the criminal system also picks this up.
At this time, no one has been convicted of murder in connection to the death of Dr. Stephen Schwartz. Brittany Muller, 8 on your side.